Here's a quick recap of the market of the eMini S&P through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, August 31st, 2009. This, of course, is just a shortened version of the detailed video that we place on our website each day for our members. Taking a look at the market here, what happened overnight, it seemed that sent the market lower. By the way, we like to start with the market profiles, and the shaded area in behind is the volume related to that market profile. This is what occurred today. This is what occurred on Friday. And this other one in here that I'll use the green circle is the markets trading range and activity overnight, Sunday evening going into Monday morning. So the market had closed here on Friday, and it bounced up a little bit, not too much, and then came down. And then opened here in the regular trading hours this morning. You can see here that the market did sell off initially. Of course, it had obviously sold off from here on the overnight basis. But then we did have the news that was released at the ISM at 9:45 Eastern this morning and sent the market down lower, but absolutely had no follow-through, and then eventually extended the range upward just by a couple of ticks very, very late in the day here. So we're still looking at the 22 area that we had mentioned on Friday as a barrier. So 22 is going to be a key price, and we're still monitoring that. You can see that the market came within a couple of ticks of it in the regular trading hours today. So anything that can hold above that, it's going to be pretty bullish, and then we can take a look at getting up probably around the 31 area. And then, of course, the next one would be this high over in here. So that's our take on it, at least at this point. We just felt that the attempted sell-off today that was given a good push by the Asian market to sell off from the consolidation that we had was very, very weak. The buyers did not come in a strong fashion by any means, but just due to the fact that the sellers were so weak that it's likely to have a bit of a rally because of that. The other thing too that we really need to watch this week is the light volume. Most of us, the European traders most of them are off on vacation right now, and in the U.S. here we're also holiday season. So August is traditionally slow, and certainly the last couple of weeks in August usually very slow. So as a result, we didn't even have any. We did not have a trade today. We had not one of our system trades at any rate. We did have some trade opportunities. Here's our filter here. You can see that early in the day it was red, which is bearish, and then turned neutral and stayed that way for the rest of the day. As far as we did have a couple of opportunities. We had some deceleration bars that were quite nice. We had one right here, and of course one right here to get in on the long side. So our traders who were taking a look, we did have a nice, by the way, deceleration here for those traders of ours who wanted to go ahead and fade that early balance area. So there were some opportunities, but they didn't really come in when the filter was suggesting that the market would likely continue to move in that direction. So as a result, we didn't actually have any system trade, but we did have other trades, these three I'm mentioning right here, that were all three trading opportunities, trade setups and triggers, but just were not taken because of the light volume and the horizontal nature of the day's action. But at any rate, all three of them were nice, and for those of our members who decided to be a little bit more aggressive in their trading, and not that they would have great expectations for the trade itself, but at least had some opportunities to take something out of the market. So we want to keep monitoring that 22 level, and next support down around 15. And the next resistance major up around 31. So these are the areas that we're looking at going into tomorrow, although we really don't see any major move here until Friday when the employment numbers come out. Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock Eastern could provide some sort of fireworks because the ISM news will be released at that time. And that's an economic news event that quite often does move the market, so we will certainly be watching that and seeing if the market, first of all, can hold above 22. If it can't, then probably be wanting to stay below 22. Next one up at 25, and then 31. So that's really what we're looking at as far as the market is concerned. If you have any questions or comments, just we'd love to hear from you at eMiniDayTrader.com, or you can go ahead and send us an email to info@eMiniDayTrader.com. info@eMiniDayTrader.com. And that'll be it for today. Last trading day of August 2009. We'll see you tomorrow for the trade action for September 1st.